There's one place on the planet that you expect to feel completely safe. That's what you signed up for. It's marriage. Hello, I'm Dr. David Hawkins, and I want to talk to you about the tragedy and the possible triumph that can occur after an affair. Approximately 50% of men and women, it's about equal with men and women, will sometime in their marriage have an affair. That's astounding, right? We sign up and we think, of course we're going to be faithful, and of course our mate is going to be faithful. We do not ever expect, nor would we sign up for, a relationship that is not safe, stable, filled with faithful commitment. We would never sign up for anything less than that. And yet, something less than that happens in approximately 50% of marriages. An affair happens. And that's the first reaction, is like, how is this possible? There's a loss of innocence. There's a profound feeling of betrayal. This is something that should never happen, we think and we say. And the deep sense of betrayal and loss and the anger that we feel over someone having the audacity to cheat on us, it's incredible. And it's very, very difficult to navigate. And if you find yourself in that situation, first of all, we want to offer hope. There are ways to heal from an affair. Some people will say, no, it can't happen. You never can heal from an affair. But I say to you, actually, you can heal from an affair. It typically takes very much a positive attitude that we're going to make it through this. It takes professional expertise that will help us navigate this, that will help us to talk about the issues, have complete openness and honesty about what has happened. There's got to be an ending, obviously, of the affair, and sometimes that ending needs to take place within the confines of a therapeutic relationship, and it needs to take place where the one who has cheated is willing and able to say, it is over, it is done, it was wrong, and I am now willing to do whatever it takes. I'm willing to talk about it as long as it needs to be talked about so that healing can occur. As the healing does occur, as you talk about it in healthy ways, sometimes probably not so healthy, that has to be expected. This is a deep, deep laceration, and there is emotional bleeding that takes place. But as the healing takes place, and it will take place if you determine that it's going to take place, if you talk about it in healthy ways, then you can get to a place where you can talk about, how did this happen? How in the world did this happen? And you've got to understand that. So you're going to have to, with a good therapist, you've got to walk through what were the problems in the relationship that led to a vulnerability that led to this collapse. I call it that someone has gone from friendly to familiar to failure. And I want to be very careful in what I'm about to say. Just because there were vulnerabilities in the relationship does not give anyone the excuse or the reason to have an affair. An affair is acting out. It's acting out the pain that was happening inside and acting out in a way that is harmful to yourself and to the relationship. But still, within therapy, you've got to look at, how did this happen, and how do we ensure that we can heal from this and it will never happen again? All right, we are interested in you. We care about you. We want to help you recover from this horrific experience that you've had. Please contact us at the Marriage Recovery Center. We're here to help.